back to you and share with you a little story. Something that is on the dark side. And that is that while I take care of my husband, who lies next to me and going to sleep, that I am a survivor of domestic assault, rape. I did not know that I was classified as rape. It took me talking to some family, and I shared with them how one of my children came to be. And they said, "Do you realize you're describing rape?" My answer was, "How can you be raped when you're married to the person?" They said, "Just because you're married to the person, when you say no, or you say get off me, or I don't approve of this, I don't want this, no matter how much they press themselves against you, that is rape. Whether you're married or not to the person, no is no." In my particular case, I had a restraining order on him. Nobody was at the premises, and I had no way to understand how to defend myself. I was very young. Now, I share this story with you. Now, it happened over 2 decades ago. I have been sharing this since it happened. But because I was classified mentally ill, because I was classified not stable, because I was classified as not being able to function, I was dismissed completely. Since then, the courts decided that, one, I was mentally having challenges. The fact the man was arrested twice for domestic violence is besides the point. He proclaimed that I was gone from the children in him for 2.5 years. And I said, no, 11 months. 2 of those months I was carrying the rape child. Now, the courts listened to him, and I was denied my rights. I was classified still as mentally not stable enough to handle anything. The way that he was pressing me, the way that he was making things happen in my life, they were right. I was barely functional. But I had family and I had support. So, fast forward almost a decade, and the courts had decided that he was more stable than myself. Well, of course he was. He had been given the sun, moon, and stars and everything in between. He was given the kids, and then I was court-ordered to pay him child support. Now, I was declared mentally ill, not able to work, not able to function, but yet court-ordered to pay him child support. No sense right there. Now, fast forward to today, I am still taking care of the child support. Rather, my family is helping me with the child support while I take care of my bedridden husband, who knows full well about my health conditions. I share this with you because, well, I have many health conditions, but because of the state and how things function, my issues are not even in comparison to the fact that he was given the children, he was given my life basically, and I was court-ordered, still paying him. They've cut it because the fact the kids all turned 18. I haven't seen the children, not for some time now. I even have grandkids, never met them. They've been now married. I don't know the spouses. By the time it's said and done, and yes, the courts have ordered me to pay the whole thing in full, $52,000, to the man who abused me, raped me, lied in court, used mental illness against me in a court of law. And now I take care of my bedridden husband, struggling every moment. I just want to share a little bit about me, especially with the new knowledge that it seems like it's okay for women to be hurt, for women to be taken advantage of. Just another little story about how stigma can be used in a court of law, how abusers can use it against you in life and in a court of law, and how the courts can turn it against you and make you become even more of a survivor of abuse. So I hope that this touches you in one way or another. Please leave a comment and let me know. This is another little portion of a non-paid family caregiver. You've probably heard him snoring because he's fallen asleep, but I felt the need to share this story. I've shared it a few times before, but it seems to be falling on dead ears. So, there you are. I am a survivor of domestic abuse. I am a survivor of rape. And I am a survivor of stigma. And yes, I've gotten down and out. Yes, I have felt like giving up. But why give him that satisfaction? No way in hell. He's not going to have that over me. So, there you go. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later.